This video, I will teach you everything I know about voiceovers. In the previous videos I used a real voice which was recorded by a professional voice talent from voices.com. In this video, the voice you are hearing right now is an automatic voice. You can see that it is not so bad when it is combined with a video with animations. You can use automated voice when you cannot spend on voice talent and your accent is not very good. Some of the top text-to-speech services are iSpeech.org, Ivona text-to-speech engine, nextup.com, Natural Reader 9. If you choose to go for professional voice talent, visit voices.com. You can find thousands of freelancers in that website. Many of these freelancers work for television and radio projects and have professional recording equipment. Initially you may notice that they charge very high, but after some negotiations you can arrive on a price which you are comfortable with. Here are some tips for negotiating with them. If you are about to create a lot of videos, explain that fact to them and they will be tempted to reduce the price for you in return for continuous orders. These professionals usually work on special effects such as fade in and fade out audio and use high-tech softwares for mixing the audio. Explain it to them that you don't need such extra features and ask them to reduce the price. They are usually perfect in their work and the recording will not contain any stammering or hiccups. If you like the voice of a particular professional and if you can't afford the rate he is quoting, last chance, you can tell him that occasional errors in the
If you are creating a video that is not a part of your information product, then you would want to get the maximum exposure for your videos as possible. After you manually upload your video to YouTube, there are a lot of things you can do to multiply your video views. Though YouTube has the lion's share of video on the internet, you shouldn't ignore other video hosting sites. But manually uploading to each of these sites can be time-consuming and not worth the effort. In this video, I'm going to introduce you to some video distribution services and techniques that I personally use to multiply my video marketing efforts. Number 1. HeySpread. HeySpread.com is a great service which distributes your video to 11 different video sharing sites. Like most of the other distribution services, HeySpread is not a monthly membership service. You only pay for the volume of usage, and each upload costs only 5 cents. First, you have to sign up on their website and deposit money through PayPal to get submission credits. Each submission credit costs 5 cents, and you will be charged only when the video is successfully uploaded. Second, you have to enter your login and password for all the 11 different sites here. It will immediately check, and only when the details are right, it will be saved. This is a great feature in my opinion because other video distribution services do not check the login and password in real time and then later produce a report which indicates the video submission failed due to incorrect login or password. To distribute your videos, you can either upload your own video from your computer, give the URL of an existing video on your server, or give the URL of your YouTube video. I do not recommend uploading to YouTube via HeySpread. This is because the file name of the video is modified into some random characters when uploading, and this is not good for your SEO. The best strategy is to upload your video to YouTube manually and then use HeySpread to distribute it to all the remaining 10 video sharing sites. There is another great service provided by HeySpread called uClone. This saves you a lot of time if you are uploading a bunch of videos at the same time. Say, for example, you have 25 videos. First, upload them all to your YouTube account. Then, enter the login details of all the video sharing sites, including YouTube, in your HeySpread account. Click uClone, and HeySpread will tell you how many credits you need for the entire process. If you have enough submission credits, go ahead. all the videos in your YouTube account will be cloned to accounts in the 10 other video sharing sites, including the title, description, and keywords. Considering the cost and time involved, this service is of huge value, even if you get only a fraction of the views to your videos relative to your YouTube videos. In this video, I will show you how to create videos just like the one you are watching now. Such videos can be used for promotion of affiliate products, or for creating an information product like this one. Even if you are comfortable in front of a camera, sometimes videos like these are more effective. I have divided the entire process into 6 steps. Step 1. Script writing. Create a script for the audio that you will be using in the video. For example, if you are creating a video about how to earn money by baking cakes at home, write down the content as if you are writing an article. As you write the article, collect relevant images from stock photo sites or from your digital camera. Step 2. Create PowerPoint slides. Create a PowerPoint presentation using Microsoft Office. This presentation should contain the points in the article and relevant images. Add animations to the text. When people see animated videos, their attention span gets refreshed whenever they see moving objects, and hence, videos with animations can be more engaging than the ones with just the audio and static text. Step 3. Create audio. Convert the script you create in Step 1 into audio. If you have a good voice, you can do this yourself, or you can outsource this process like I do. You can find many voiceover professionals for hire at www.voices.com. Step 4. Time the PowerPoint. Once the audio recording is over, open the file in a media player. It is a good idea to leave a 10-second silent gap in the audio file before the voice starts. This 10-second gap will give you the time to open the PowerPoint presentation and keep everything ready. Open your PowerPoint file. Go to Slideshow and click on Rehearse Timings. As the audio is being played, click the right arrow in your keyboard to proceed with the slides and animations in the PowerPoint presentation. The animations and slides should synchronize with the audio that is playing on the background. If you find it difficult to remember the points where you have to click next, you can take a printout of the script and mark the places where you have to click next in the PowerPoint slide. As the audio is playing, you can follow the words in the printed script and move along the PowerPoint slides accordingly. After the audio stops playing, leave a 3 to 4 second gap and then finish the presentation. A pop-up window will ask whether you want to keep these timings. Click Yes and save the file. In the previous video, I told you that Traffic Geyser can submit your same video in 4 different formats, and the video sharing sites will consider each video as a unique one. I call this video rewriting. Just like article rewriting, we can reach a wide spectrum of users with the same content. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can rewrite videos without the help of Traffic Geyser. Most of the internet marketers have Camtasia Studio software installed. If you don't have Camtasia, you can use Windows Movie Maker, which has similar capabilities. In this video, I will demonstrate using Camtasia. Open Camtasia and import your original video into it. Create a new title clip with the URL of your website or some generic words like "Thank you for watching my video," which would be appropriate to add at the end of the video. Drag the original source video and the title clip into the timeline. Now insert a transition of your choice between these two. Now, publish the video. The length of this video will be a little more than the original one, and the file size will also differ. This makes it a unique video in the eyes of YouTube and other video hosting sites. If you want one more unique video, replace it again with another transition and publish it. There are nearly 30 transitions available here. A word of warning: do not create multiple versions of spammy-looking, useless videos which only do the job of promoting your URL. You can easily get banned from YouTube and other sites if you do that. Use this method only for really content-rich videos, and you will be rewarded well. Step 5. Create raw video. Now you have to convert this timed PowerPoint presentation file into a video file. For this, I use a software called Moya PPT to Video Converter. This software costs $40, and in my opinion, it is worth it, because if you try to screen capture the animations with a screen recording software, the animations will not be as smooth as it could be. I have tried several softwares, and this one works best for me. Choose DivX format with the video quality as custom. Go to Profile Settings and update it with the following details. With my trials and errors, I have found that this configuration works best for internet videos. The video quality will be high, and the file size would be low. Video codec XVID. Bitrate 2500. Size 640 by 480. Frame rate 29.97. Audio sample rate 44.1 kHz. Click Add and select your PowerPoint file. Select the destination folder for the output video file and click Start. It will take 5 to 10 minutes or longer depending on the speed of your PC. Now your video with smooth animations is ready. But this video does not have the voice yet. Step 6. Final video creation. Open Camtasia Studio or any other similar software. Import the audio file and the video file into it. Drag both of them into the timeline. Click Play. You will notice that the audio and video will not synchronize with each other. You can correct this by dragging the audio timeline to the left or to the right. Usually, you will get it right in 3 to 4 attempts. There will be a few seconds of video without audio in the beginning because you would have started your presentation before the audio began playing. Select the video part which is without the audio and click on Cut Selection. Repeat the procedure for the end of the video also. Once it is done, click Produce Video As and export your video in MP4 format. MP4 is my preferred format because it is accepted in almost all the video sharing sites and is usually lightweight compared to AVI or MOV. If you want to watermark your videos, you can do so in Camtasia, or you can include your URL in the presentation file like I have done in this video. I hope your head is spinning with new ideas and possibilities. Try this method of video creation and let me know what you think about it. If you have any questions, email me. Another great video distribution service that I've been using for the past year is TrafficGeyser.com. This service is quite costly, but if you are ready to create and upload a lot of videos, you can get a very good return on your investment. The basic plan of Traffic Geyser costs $97 per month and provides you with 3,500 submission credits per month. Unlike HeySpread, Traffic Geyser allows you to have multiple login profiles. This is especially useful if you are working simultaneously in different niches. You can submit your videos in 22 different video sharing sites in one shot, and they also have automation tools for submitting your content to social bookmarking sites and article directories. One of the reasons that I love Traffic Geyser so much is their video rewriting service, referred to as multiple timed submissions. When you choose multiple timed submissions as 4 while submitting the video, Traffic Geyser will submit the same video in 4 different video formats, like MP4, AVI, MOV, and WMV, and the video sharing sites will think that each video is a unique one. You can give different titles, descriptions, and keywords for each of these videos so that it reaches a wide spectrum of people. You have to be careful only to give relevant titles, or else YouTube users will flag your video, and when it receives enough flags, you may even risk losing your account. Now, let's do a little bit of math here. Imagine that you have 10 different videos. With Traffic Geyser, you can submit them to 22 different video sites. So in the end, you would have submitted 220 videos. Now, when you apply multiple timed submissions, it is multiplied by 4, and in the end, you would have submitted 880 videos. Now, even if you get only one visitor to your website on average from each of these videos, then that's 880 unique visitors. If your conversion ratio is just 1%, then you will end up with at least 8 sales from these original 10 videos that you created. Now that's definitely more cost-effective than other traffic methods such as PPC or banner advertising, and these videos are your digital assets. It will keep generating views and traffic for a very long time to come. Now, let's move on to the ranking side of things. With our selected profitable keyword, let's go to Google to see just how easy it's going to be to rank for this keyword. Enter the keyword into Google as it is. No need for entering it in quotes. We're interested in seeing what normal, everyday people see, not what internet marketers see. No matter how many competing pages there are, the most important thing that decides how easy it will be for us to rank for a particular keyword is the page rank for the websites that are on the first pages of Google. Now, you can either do this the hard way by going to each individual site and using your trusty Google toolbar, checking out the page rank of every single individual site, or you can download a plugin or add-on that does it for you automatically on Google's search page. A handy plugin you can use is KeywordSpy.com's free plugin for Internet Explorer and Mozilla Firefox. For any given keyword, this plugin will bring the most important information you'll need to get ranked on that page, such as page rank, most recent cache date. The more recent it is, the more often that site is being crawled by Google, number of backlinks, etc. After you install this plugin, your normal search results will look like these. PageRank and Alexa ranking will be displayed immediately, and to get other details, you just have to click on the question mark link. The most important thing is the page rank. The higher the page rank is, the more relevant and authoritative that page is, and the harder it is to rank above it in general. If Google's first page of your keyword brings up a list of websites that have page ranks of 0s and 1s, you're in profit heaven, assuming that your keyword satisfies the other requirements as well. Even if it's 2s and 3s, that's pretty good as well. With some reasonable efforts, you should be able to rank above them. Remember, it's an estimated average CPC of at least 50 cents, at least 3,000 exact global searches, and low page ranks that are best. Follow these guidelines to drastically increase your chances of making money online.